Order filled. Stop filled.
Okay, so we got stopped out because I just jumped into I came back and I saw it and I didn't get time to analyze the chart correctly, and then I entered as inside bar, and that was not a that's a no no. It was the inside bar of a bearish candle. So I premature pulled the trigger and I got punished. Okay, so I entered this trade, but I accidentally misclicked it, and it got me into a trade immediately. And it's let me get these lows because just because of I misclicked my mouse, and he got me into this trade, which is kind of scary right now. But it is a first leg for the entry, second leg central line. Failure at a lower high, but the lower high needs to trigger first, and it never triggered. I just got immediately into it. It just it auto. Oh man. I mean, I can't do anything about it. I'm already in the trade. Well, this is kind of iffy right now. Okay, so we got filled. Perfect. That was scary. Oh man, I'm happy that worked for us in favor, but it was scary because of um it misclicked and it autofilled me in, which is pretty scary. Oh man, I want to get these lows here. Or just let it play out, man.
Target filled.
Perfect, perfect. Look at it go, amazing. But that was scary. But my analysis is correct. That's why I wasn't too scared. But it was just pretty scary here. Felt second entry long, lower high. Sometimes the bull this push right here was enough for for this bullish uptrend. Let me zoom out real quick. It was enough for this bullish uptrend. Sometimes it's enough, and you can see that it's having a hard time um on this midline. Came up rejected, and the EMA is holding prices nicely too. But this lower high finish horrible and misclick. I literally misclicked in here, and it was just pretty scary. It was actually scary because look at the way it finished. I misclicked it, but you can't get mad at any of that. It's just it's just part of trading. You can misclick sometimes. You can you can instead of buying, you sell. You know, you gotta remain calm. Don't get frustrated, and it's just part of trading. There'll be mistakes like this. Like right now, but but the right I had the right I was on the right side of the market because it was just rejecting so hard. Right here, I just came into market and I prematurely just pulled the trigger here. but I didn't realize it was an inside bar, inside of a bearish bar, and you know that's why I gotta relax, be patient, and look. But yeah, I'll play it back. This I'm gonna take. I'm actually gonna take another break because this kind of scared me here. So I'm gonna take another break. I'll be back, and it's lunch hours, so I'm gonna take a break, another break. Okay, so I'm resuming the video. We might have a lower high confirmation of the second entry short happened here, which means that this channel is a little wider and it's not playing as overshoot because EMA is holding prices. If it was an overshoot, it would have you know shot right through the EMA. But but EMA is holding prices. And it looks like we might have missed it. I'm gonna leave it there. Just about one tick.
Order filled.
Okay, so we got filled. One tick below the bar. So we chase it about one tick. Let's go to right here and leave a runner down these lows right here. So we have a first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry short. Um, but and then these buyers got trapped because they're probably playing a smaller channel like so, but it's not playing as a wider channel. And if I had the midline, the midline should fit quite nicely on there. Yeah, you see it's holding prices quite nicely. So that and we go check the 10,000 tick chart where this is a pretty it's pretty strong downtrend that needs a new extreme. So that's why I took that lower high, confirming the second entry short. Lower high. I like I like the risk here. You know, take a risk here. Now we just gotta let it play out and see if it loses or wins. If it wins, it loses. Just a couple more ticks.
Target filled.
Perfect. All right. I want to see. There's a support here, but I want to see if I can get a couple a good runner here. We take it by one tick. We're back into this range here. So or bias. Downtrend needs a new low. According to practical rules. Want to get the low of these range down here. Hopefully it just cuts right through the midline. Cause then I can trail my stop order to the midline. But looks like this is holding prices.
Stop filled.
Alright, I'm okay with that. I just don't want to give too much. It just you see how there's support here. Let me oh no, oops. Let's see. So you can just see. You see us holding prices. Yeah. All right. I'm resuming the trade here because I just took a second entry short. This is on NQ though. Second entry short. I didn't get to record the scalp, but it was so quick. So um, yeah, just second entry short. Textbook downtrend using extreme first entry, second entry short, and we only got a scalp. Okay, it's about that time. It's about to be 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and let's go look at today's price action.
Today was it was a good it was it was not that bad. It was pretty volatile today. But let's zoom in here and check out the trades. Okay, we start the morning right here. The morning's I believe a news item causes, but I don't know, I'm not really sure. I did hear something about that the feds are having um trouble landing a soft landing with the economy. So maybe that's what caused it. But anywho, let's go look at this downtrend. We have overshoot. We have overshoot. Wait, before I do that, let's see. No, 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 no. Wait, right here. Okay, let's go here. Okay, so let's look at the trades. There's absolutely nothing here. Nothing too congested. Um, you could have maybe marked. You could have possibly marked this one, but it was just. You see how it was just like congested here. Can maybe take this bar. Just not a new room to the EMA or the midline. And we move over here. We have this downtrend that push below the EMA and hit the bottom of this trend range. You got to overshoot this channel too. So then we push above the EMA. This is higher low here, but you see how the EMA would just like flatten and look at it finished below the EMA. It's just there's really nothing there. And then there's a fell secondary short again. Not enough room. It worked this time, but next time it can do this. But yeah, I just marked it because you can argue you can probably take that one. Okay, so then we overshot this bullish channel here, and we hit the top of the range. So the overshoot, you have this nice bearish bar to go to back to the EMA after overshoot, and then we have a first entry. It's a lower high. Um, Downtrend needs a new extreme. You can take this bar, hit the top of the range, but then it came down, went back up. Second intro long triggered, but people going long here are gonna get trapped after overshoot and the top of the range. Failure. Fell second intro long. The bar not the best, but you're at the top of the range, and there's all these bars just got trapped. As you can see what happened, and it's a measure like exactly to the tick, literally. I took the trade myself, and now we push above the EMA. There was really nothing to get into in here. Um, just just write it up here, and then we trade into this like small range. There was a second just short here. You can argue that's a good second. That was first leg was entry, second leg, second just short. Back to the low of the range. Off the, but you see, it hasn't finished above the EMA. That's why I marked it more aggressive. But down you need an extreme. It worked here. All right, so now we create a new low for this downtrend. We push above the EMA, this higher low here. But I should really mark this higher low more aggressive. Oops, more aggressive um because there was no let me see. It worked for 7 ticks, man. We go for 8 ticks. You can argue this is a good trade right here. I marked it good. That's a good trade because after break, new low and the higher low confirming that the sellers are over. Push back a fake out breakout higher low. So yeah, I like that. I like going long there. Um, we have this lower high, and then we have a failed second entry long. This is the better bar to take. Um, I I misclicked my trade here. I misclicked it here. Um, I was waiting for the bar to close. I didn't want to engulf this bar, but I misclicked it, and I was pretty nerve wracking because I misclicked it. So I only went for a little bit ticks, but then it scaled me out. I believe I went for 6 ticks, scaled me out, and then I had to run it up to these lows here, and I got the extra points. But I was waiting for the bar to close, and you can see how it closed. It's closed pretty terrible. Um, so you can argue that you could use it. You could take this trade as engulfing. It ticked up and then engulfed this small bullish bar. You can argue that you can take it like that. Okay, so then we push below the EMA. Um, at first I had it like an overshoot like this. I had an overshoot first, but then I pay attention to the EMA, how I was reacting to the price action, and EMA is holding prices, which told me that there's probably a wider channel. So I drew the wider channel, and I drew this midline here, and see how the midline is holding prices. So that's why I trust this wider channel, and we have a from this low, first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry short, signal bar here, but terrible signal bar. And then people bought here got trapped as well. You can this is actually like the lower high here, but came back, give you a better lower high, better entry. Out the EMA, we have enough room back to the bottom of the range. Great setup, amazing trade right there. Awesome. And then we push. We did like a triple test. If this bar finished bullish, it would have been the first leg, first entry, second leg, second long triple test. I can mark it more aggressive, but it's because my bar finished bearish. But if it would finish green, wait, what? If my bar finished bullish, I would have marked it green, just because on my chart it finished bearish. But it's a second long triple test. Okay, so we push above the EMA, broke to new high, and then chopped sideways. There was nothing here, nothing. Push below the EMA. You have a first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry short. Second entry short that failed in you temporarily, and it came back. But this is inside bar, you know, it's inside a bar of a I say it, a bullish bar. It's inside of a bullish bar, just like here. I actually got trapped here. I took this bar because I had came back from my break, and then I took this bar not realizing that it was an inside bar. And I got trapped. It didn't work for 8 ticks, but then the market gave me a chance to enter again. But like we were explaining, I accidentally clicked here. I put my limit order here, and I actually clicked it, and it filled me in right away. So I was pretty scared here, but my analysis correct here, and turns out it worked out. But anyways, yeah, inside bar, context is king. Downtrend needs a new low. Inside bar, create a new low. We have this second entry short here, but it's just you really want to take a shanker here because we just had a downtrend break new low, and we have some support. We have some support here. Look at this. You're like kind of you're shorting right into this midline kind of. So I don't really like that second entry short. And then we push above the EMA, and now it's just getting too late. Yeah, ES it's pretty good today. Better than the last past 2 days. So yeah, ES was pretty good today, but we also took some trades on NQ, so we're gonna go review NQ chart as well. Okay, we're NQ chart here. We use the 1500 tick chart on the NQ, same as the ES. Overshoot, chop, city. We have this first leg, first entry, second leg, second just short here, but you're shorting right at the lows, so you're gonna get trapped. As you can see, it trapped all these sellers. It came back to the midline and this trend line. Great second entry short right there. It's like a visual to see. Nice trade there. And then it had like a little micro overshoot when try to go higher. But see, attempted multiple times to go higher. Made a new high. Made a new high, right? And then just, um, we go for 2 points on NQ2, and they work for 6 points. So I like that trade there. If you cut that runner, look at that. And all downtrends played out already. You have downtrend, new low, downtrend, new low. So all downtrends, new low. So this is telling me that buyers are starting to step in the market. Okay, now we have push above the EMA, start going rangy. You can mark this one. It's like a double bottom, but I feel like the better bar would have been here, but it's just too big. And this lower high, I mean higher low is pretty doji-ish, but the risk is first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry long. EMA uptrend unit extreme, EMA hold midline. This is a good trade here. It worked for 5 points, so way more than the scalp. And then we traded into this uptrend. We have the second entry long here. We have first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry long at the EMA. High probably set over there. Look at that. Nice move. Then we push below the EMA. There was not much to get in here. Maybe this bar, but you see, you still had this uptrend, so not really. There's nothing here that I like. We have overshoot again. But this is actually something like the ES. I was playing a tighter channel like this, but it turned out it was a little wider. And then push. We have a first leg, first entry, second leg, second entry short. A little more risky because there's uptrends in play, but this bigger downtrend need a new low. Just a little more risky. This and then a lower high came here, but look at that. My bar came out bullish, so no go there. Push above the EMA. Break to new high. Attempt to go high again. Maybe they were not satisfied with this break, so they broke it. Came too high. Didn't fully reach new high. Came back. You have like a measure leg from this leg here. Not there yet, but it's pretty close. And then there was this. I took the second entry short here. First leg, first entry, second leg, second short. Literally textbook second entry short. Downtrend using no, uptrends played out. We have this leg that my test is low. So yeah, I liked it. I like it all. I like how it finished. Very nice bar. Uptrend break to new high. Just textbook setup. And like I said, now it's just getting too late in the market. But yeah, today overall was pretty good. Today was pretty good. It was a pretty good trade. There's probably a bigger range here, like right here to like these lows. There you go. Bigger picture range, you see. But yeah, good trade today. There's a few setups here and a few setups in the NQ. The reason I was looking at NQ is because the past 2 days E has been slow, but you know, if you are comfortable enough to trade 2 instruments, then go for it. But don't go with big contracts. Just stay small. Once you get more comfortable, you know, you increase your contracts. Like right now, I'm using small contracts. And once I get more comfortable, then I can, you know, scale up. But right now, I'm okay with my 2 contract scalps. But yeah, overall, great day today. And I'm gonna wrap it up. Have a great day. Enjoy your afternoon, your morning, wherever you guys are. And I'm out.